Join us on a journey through the world of universal home design, where accessibility and functionality blend to create spaces for everyone, regardless of age or ability. Hello, I am Francisca Alonso, the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. In this video, we're exploring the vital role of universal home design in creating inclusive, adaptable, and comfortable living spaces. Join us as we explore how this approach is revolutionizing home design in Northern Virginia and beyond. Universal design transcends traditional architecture by creating environments that are accessible and intuitive for everyone. It's an inclusive concept that caters to all, regardless of age, size, or ability, making life simpler and more efficient for a diverse range of individuals. Who benefits from universal design? Universal design is for everyone. It's not just for those with disabilities or the elderly. It's for young families, athletes, and every individual in between. This approach ensures homes are adaptable and comfortable for every phase of life and any unexpected event. Key features of universal design. A no-step entry provides barrier-free access to the home, making it easier for everyone, including those with mobility challenges, parents with strollers, or anyone carrying heavy items. Main level living. Essential living spaces like bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen on the main level, eliminating the need for stairs and enhancing safety and convenience. Wide doorways and hallways. Wide doorways and hallways accommodates wheelchairs and make it easier to move large items, ensuring the home is adaptable and accessible for everyone. Extra floor space. Additional floor space allows for easier navigation around furniture and obstacles, offering a more functional and comfortable living environment for wheelchair users and all residents. Non-slip surfaces. Incorporating non-slip surfaces in key areas like floors and bathtubs enhances safety by preventing slips and falls, benefiting all family members, including children and the elderly. Why universal design is crucial. Universal design supports aging in place by creating homes that adapt to changing needs, allowing older adults to live comfortably and safely in their own homes for longer. Multi-generational living. It accommodates the diverse needs of multi-generational households, ensuring comfort and accessibility for all family members, from young children to the elderly. Accessibility for all. Universal design benefits everyone, not just those with disabilities, by creating environments that are intuitively usable and functional for a wide range of people. Universal home design is more than a set of standards. It's a philosophy of inclusivity and compassion. At AV Architects and Builders, we are dedicated to creating custom homes that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also universally accessible and functional. If you're considering a new build or renovation, think about the lasting impact of universal home design. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey towards a custom home that is tailored for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into innovative home design. Until next time.